the strongest choices, the hardest choices in life requires the strongest wills to make. This quote is from Thanos. Thanos is a fictional character in the Marvel Studios Avengers The Endgame. Thanos had a mission to rule the entire universe according to the fictitious movie Avengers. He tried to grab all the 5 stones, for those of you who might have watched. And here he's telling us that the strongest, the hardest choices in life requires the strongest will to be made. Thanos meant if you are posed with a hard decision, it is too easy for you to give up if the need, the interest to make that thing go through is not strong.
But if you carry on,
the interest,
you'll be robbed from us.
The need,
I refuse to lose another friend on drugs. Just come on,
becomes the will.
Don't let go.
And if the will is strong, whenever hard is too easy,
distance, there's a house upon a
you will
hill,
have to make
guided like a lighthouse to a place where you'll be safe to feel a grace. Cause we've all made mistakes. If you lost your way,
the reason as to why we are considering even fictitious characters for movies, behind those fictitious characters, fictions were made by human beings. So someone behind Thanos in Marvel Studios Avengers Endgame wanted the people to pick some poetic message from Thanos, and this is one of them that we have selected. Thank you very much.
The second someone mentioned you were all alone, I could feel the trouble coursing through your veins. Now I know